Are you ready to learn more real Tai Chi? In this video, I guide you through your second move. It's called Play the Lute. I'm Chris Cinnamon, Head Instructor at Chicago Tai Chi. At Chicago Tai Chi, we help adults move their bodies, deeply relax, and achieve vibrant health. If you haven't seen my Move 1 lesson, you'll want to check it out. You'll find a link for that in the description below this video, along with links to other helpful resources for beginning Tai Chi. Plus, at the end of this video, I'll share one of my top tips for Tai Chi beginners. Follow this tip and you'll be enjoying Move 2 with increasing smoothness and connection in short order. And if you like this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment. Let me know how it goes. With that, let's learn Move 2, Play the Lute. Here's the plan for today's lesson. First, I'll demonstrate the move so you can see what it looks like. Next, I'll cover a few key points to help your understanding of what we're up to in Move 2. Then I'll break the move down. First, we'll do the arm movements. Then we'll do the lower body movement components, the hips, legs, and footwork. Then we'll put the top and bottom together and practice the whole move. Real quickly, I want to mention one online Tai Chi instructional technique that I'll be using today. It's called mirror image instruction. Mirror image instruction enables me to teach asymmetric movement online. That's where you do one thing on one side, one thing on the other, and face you. That way you can see me and follow me from the front, like you're looking in a mirror. Let's do a quick exercise so you can get a feel for mirror image instruction. So place your hands in front of you like this. So this is symmetrical. And now we're going to take our left pulse. So take your left pulse. This is your left hand. This is your left pulse. Now on my end, this is my right hand, but don't you worry about that. You just follow me like you're looking in a mirror. That's mirror image instruction. So from standing comfortably, my palms facing behind me, here's Move 2, Play the Lute. That's it. Okay, a few key points about this move. This move incorporates a fundamental Tai Chi movement pattern of bending and stretching. Let me show you that. So what's my body doing here? Most parts of it are bending. What's it doing here? Stretching. Bending here, and then a light stretch at the end. Bending and stretching. And then let's take a look at what's going on in the lower body. First, we have a weight shift. So I'm shifting all my weight to one side. And then the unweighted foot steps and lands lightly on the heel. Next, let's break the movement down and let's do this together. We'll start with the arms, then we'll do the legs, and then we'll put them together. We can Play the Lute down into a 4-count move. And the first count of the arm movement is like this. The arms bend and raise to the side. Those of you that have had Move 1, this feels a lot like the first count of commencement, only the arms are off to the side. So let's try that a couple times together. 1. Reset. 1. Bend. Reset. Now count 2 is the stretch. 1, 2. Now I'm stretching, but note, I'm not straining. I'm not tensing my shoulders, locking my elbows. I'm stretching, but I'm keeping everything a little soft. Reset. Counts 1 and 2. 1, 2. Reset. 1, bend, 2, stretch. So count 3. Now we're going to make a circle in front of us like this. 3. Make a circle until your palms are roughly in front of your shoulders, but you're not collapsing. You're keeping this nice and open and feel a nice stretch in your back. Reset. Counts 1 through 3. Follow me. 1, bend. 2, stretch. 3, we'll call this a wrap because we're wrapping the back around to the front. Reset. 1, bend. 2, stretch. 3, wrap. And feel that nice stretch in the back. Feels good. Reset. Again. 1, 2, 3. Count 4. We're going to take our left pulse like this. So now the palms are facing your center line. The fingers are more or less pointing up. And your right hand is on your left pulse point. That's it. And note, we've maintained this nice circle we made in count 3. So let's put those together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reset. One more time. 1, bend. 2, stretch. 3, wrap. 4, finish, take your pulse. Nice. Now, let's do the leg movements. So, the first count of Play the Lute involves a weight shift and a bend in the hips and legs. So you can take your palms and just place them here lightly on your abdomen, and we'll do the lower body movement components. Count 1. Shift weight, bend. Reset, back to even weighted. Let's do that again. Shift weight, bend. So now all your weight, or as much weight as you comfortably can, is now on your right leg. Reset. Shift weight to your right, bend. Reset. Count 2 is a stretch, but we keep our weight on the right. So follow me. 1, shift weight, bend. 2, keep your weight on your right leg. Stretch. Nice. Reset, even weighted. 1, 2, stretch. Reset, even weighted. Counts 1 and 2. Here we go. 1, bend. 2, stretch. Now count 3. Hold this position so your weight's on your right. Now feel your unweighted heel. That's your left heel. Count 3. You lift it. So your left heel is now off the ground in count 3. Let's try that again. Here we go. 1, bend, shift weight. 2, stretch. 3, lift your unweighted heel. That's your left heel. Reset, even weighted. Counts 1 through 3. Here we go. 1, shift weight, bend. 2, stretch. 3, lift your left heel. Count 4, take a small step, land lightly on your heel. That's it. Here we go. Counts 1 through 4 of the lower body movement components of Move 2, Play the Lute. Here we go. 1, shift weight, bend. 2, stretch. 3, unweighted heel comes up. 4, take a small step, land lightly on the heel. That's it. Reset. Let's do that again. 1, shift weight, bend. 2, stretch. 3, unweighted heel comes up. 4, take a small step, land lightly on the heel. Weight stays on your right. Now, it's time to put them together. So stand comfortably. Follow me. 1, shift weight, bend. 2, stretch up the legs, stretch out the arms. 3, make a circle with your arms and hands. Lift your unweighted heel. 4, take a step. Take your left pulse. That's it. Reset. Let's do that again. 1, shift weight, bend, arms come up. 2, stretch. 3, wrap, unweighted heel comes up. 4, take a small step. Take your left pulse. Very nice. Let's do that again. 1, shift weight bend. 2, stretch. 3, wrap, unweighted heel comes up. 4, step, take your pulse. Feel that nice stretch in your back. This move is wonderful for opening up tight, tense upper backs and shoulders. To conclude this lesson, let's do that 4 times in a row together. Ready, begin. 1, shift weight bend. 2, stretch. 3, wrap. 4, step, take your pulse. Reset. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reset. Repeat. 1, 2, wrap, step, finish, take your pulse. Reset. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. So that concludes our introduction to move 2, play the lute. Today's top Tai Chi tip for beginners: after learning a new move, drill it. And by that I mean, after learning a new move like you did today, you want to repeat it several times as soon after the lesson as you can. And by several times, I mean 10, 20 times. That won't take you 5 minutes. And then for several days following the lesson, you want to drill it so that can, again, 10, 20 times in a practice session. That's going to help stabilize the move. It'll soon become smooth, connected, coordinated, and then you'll be ready for the next move. That's my top Tai Chi tip for beginners for today. After learning a new move, drill it.